Welcome to the future of content monitoring. Today, we're diving into Spiderhubs, the ultimate SaaS for tracking viral content. From TikTok and Douyin to Xiaohongshu, this tool automates the scraping process without requiring any account authorization. The platform is incredibly user-friendly. Just hit Get Started to enter the dashboard and begin your journey. The first step is setting up a new strategy. This is where you define exactly what content you want to track. You can target specific platforms, like TikTok. Most importantly, you can scrape specific bloggers by simply entering their ID or profile URL. If you're looking for new creators, the Smart Account Finder uses keywords to suggest high-quality bloggers relevant to your niche. Fill in the details, like blogger name, ID, and profile link. You can add multiple accounts manually to build a comprehensive monitoring list. Once you input your keywords and hit AI Smart Account Finder, the system automatically populates a list of recommended creators for you. Adjust your filtering rules for likes and engagement, set your crawl frequency, and hit Save and Enable. Your automation is now live. Next, let's explore the Materials section. This is your content hub, where all the scraped data is organized neatly for review. Each entry provides deep insights into engagement. The best part? You can view and download high-quality videos directly without any watermarks. The detail page shows the video description, engagement stats, and provides a direct link to the original source and raw media. This makes repurposing content or analyzing viral hooks effortless. Clean, no watermark videos are just a click away. Now let's talk pricing. Compared to other enterprise tools, Spiderhubs is significantly more affordable, offering professional features at a fraction of the cost. Plans are flexible and support standard payment methods. It's a low-barrier way to access powerful data. Managing your subscription is a breeze. In the Account tab, you can view your current plan, remaining credits, and transaction history. Total transparency here. You can manage or cancel your subscription for the following month at any time. No hidden catches. Start your smart monitoring today